So this is step number 4, which is part A, B, C, D, E. Is the next part with it, part E. So I'd like for you to highlight and select this particular link that I provide for you with it. So highlight and click on it, however you want to do it. Copy it and open up your web browser for me. And let's see here. Let's grab one of the web browsers, and this is the NodeJS I'm copying with it, and I need for you to download this NodeJS with it as well. Again, this is for Windows and this is for a Mac. So depending on what operating system you have with it, click on one of them. I'm using Firefox. It goes into my download folder, and I'm going to just do that right now along with you. All right. So I click on it. It's downloading right now with it. So this is version 16.5.1, 64 bytes with it as well. Give this a second, let it run in the background with it. I'm going to pause the video, and once this pops up with it as well. So you have this little dialog window right here, right? So I want to pause. I don't want to take any more time for running this. Well, here it is with it. So it says, welcome to the Node.js wizard. Remember now, we haven't installed this. So I'm going to accept the default. It's the next. I accept the terms and license. I click on next. This is the path. Remember that. I want you to remember this path right here. C : program space files with an S /nodes node.js /. We need to actually accept that as a default setting with it. In the DOS setting, we need to navigate to this and run and create our files in a second. So remember this for me. I'm just going to copy this for now, and then I'm going to click on next and accept the default settings on this. Accept I don't check anything off. I just leave it the way how it is with it. Next, and I'm going to click on install. Okay, so it's going to run for a second. I'm going to pause the recording for a second. Okay. While that is running, I just copy that path. I'm going to open up a notepad so we can store this. Remember this path right here. We need to navigate to the DOS command to get to this path right here to take a screenshot of this. All right. So let's minimize this. I'm going to let it run for a second. I want to pause the video because this is going to take a few seconds. Okay. So one more thing is that make sure you allow it to run as an administrator with it. So I don't know if you see this or not, but I have to click on the yes here with it as an administrator. I also is going to sit there waiting for you to prompt with it. So that's how fast this thing runs with it. So it should take like 2-3 minutes, max 2 minutes with it. So but it wants you to prompt. If it's a screen that you don't see the bar that's moving like this, somewhere behind your windows there's admin rights that you have to allow it to install in your computer with it. You have to click yes on it, or else it's going to just sit there and wait. So once this is done, as you can see that this is being done right now, and I'm going to click on finish right here. That's it. So I like for you to, from this point on, all right, in my instruction, I ask you to navigate. So here with it, so take a screenshot of and copy and paste of the Windows Explorer right now with it, right? So let's do that right now. If you go to your Windows, just grab one of your, if you go to open up your Windows or this icon right here. I have several of them open right now with it. So if you go to C drive, I ask you to do, and here's programs with it, right? And you should see, this is what I want you to take a screenshot of, is make sure there's Node.js right here. Okay, so take a screenshot of this whole window right here for me and paste it onto that particular section. That's all I want to see right here. So this is right here, okay? Or you can expand this as well, okay? But you could see the Node.js is a subdirectory of programs files. All right. All right, take a screenshot of this right here, and I need for you to paste that below here. This will conclude part E of the instruction with it. So I want to have this video right here. Okay.